Fill the steaming basket with rice about halfway. You can also read the instructions on the Froothie Evolve manual that will tell you exactly how to do it. Rinse the rice a few times before steaming. Fill up the Evolve cooking jug with some water about 3/4 full. Adjust water quantity if needed, making sure is enough water to cover the rice and no more. Close the lid. Now go ahead and set the steaming function, which is already preset at 20 minutes. And then just wait for your rice to cook. The Evolve will stop cooking when it has reached the 20 minutes, so you don't have to worry about doing anything. And your rice is ready. Carefully open the lid, removing first the small part. The lid and the Evolve jug can be really hot, so be careful and pay attention to the steam. And your rice is ready to be served. Perfectly steamed. Now you can put the rice on the side and go ahead and proceed with the cleaning function, which is very easy. Just fill the jug with enough water, usually 2 glasses of water, and select the cleaning function and just press on. And the Evolve will do everything for you and will clean the jug for you. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.